Hello and welcome back to episode 2 of Brewing with Burton. Today we're going to be looking at the iconic Chemex coffee maker. Right, as always, a little bit of history as we get out of the box. Designed in 1941 by Dr. Peter Schulbum, manufactured by the Chemex Corporation in Massachusetts, and hailed as one of the greatest design products of all time. Let's take a second to marvel at this beautiful piece of glass. Right, you're going to need a few things. You're going to need filters, set of scales, pouring kettle, delicious coffee and freshly filtered water. Right, grab yourself one of these heavy duty 3-ply filters. Give it a little fold. Make sure the heavy part goes to the front of the brewer. This will stop any airlocks forming, and then wet the filter. Get rid of any papery taste and also give you a great purchase. Check that you can see to the bottom of the chamber, discard the water, and then you're going to be ready to brew. Right, weigh out 30 grams of coffee, grind to a medium consistency, give it a smell, and bang it into your brew pot, like so. Flatten the bed, tear off the scales, and add 60 grams of water. This is the blooming phase. Saturate the grounds, leave it for 45 seconds. Right, 45 seconds, add up to 300 grams of water, nice steady pour. Once you get to 2 minutes, add the remaining water up to 500 grams, nice steady pour, and then give the brew a good spooning. This will get any errant grounds to fall into the bed. And then one other little tip, when the brew is halfway down the chamber, give it a little swirl, and this will take any of the grounds off the side of the filter and incorporate into the bed for even extraction. Right, pull up your duds and go and bake yourself some pastiche donatas. Today was a good day. I'm impressed with myself. Look at the lamination on that bad boy. Right, if the bed is flat, you've done a great job. And if your overall brew time was between 4 and 4.5 minutes, you've done an even better job. Give the brew a celebratory swirl. Then pour your coffee like the world-class barista you are. Steady with it, steady with it. There we go. Right, take your time, move slowly, pick up a pastiche donata, and then congratulate yourself on another successful day of brewing. Take a big bite of that custardy goodness, grab your brew, and slowly move down to take a glug of that delicious coffee. Delicious. Right, you can win the Chemex and the coffee as always. Another celebratory swirl, and then I'm going to leave you with the sound of crispy, buttery pastry. Oh, missed a bit. Right, as always, subscribe, like, share, comment. Thanks for watching, and happy brewing.